Hello, investors. Welcome to Chart Shastra, where investing is made simple with the help of charts. Today is day 60 of our 100-day price action challenge. Looks like the market has bounded, right? Especially, we have seen a very strong positive action from Nifty Microcap. It's been a very long time. Almost every single investor or a trader in the market has been waiting for such day. And on the same day, Nifty is almost flat. It did not move anything. It hardly moved. It was down 12 points only. It is flat, and Nifty Junior is up 1% too. In fact, even the Nifty 100, since Nifty 50 is heavyweight, Nifty 100 didn't move much. Mid caps are up 1.5%, small caps are up 2.25%, and micro cap 2.37. So, has the market formed bottom and did it reverse? I don't think so. I mean, it's very difficult to answer, and it's very early stage to answer because look at the Nifty Microcap Index. It was down almost 14% in 7 sessions, right? So a little buying would be definitely possible. The same thing could happen in the microcap index. Hence, I'm looking at this level, which is the long-term support zone for my small cap index. If it gets rejected and pushes down, that would be very bad scenario for the market. Again, we would be entering new lows. The same thing could happen for the mid cap. If you look at the mid cap is very far away from its long-term support. Although we can say that this was the election day low, right? I can just point out for the Nifty mid cap here. This would be the zone. There won't be any exact support or exact resistance zone. So you can approximate that this 18,200 for Nifty mid cap would be somewhere decent level. The same thing you can do it for Nifty 52 or Nifty 50 70 22,700 800 would be the level here. Again, for Nifty to move up higher, I would be looking at 23,800 level only. Now let's start with our gold. Gold is zooming up. You can see gold in fact made a new high today. I mean gold is not at all stopping. See, after this consolidation of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sessions, gold is up again. Silver yesterday it was up and today it was a very strong move happening on the silver. So looks like the metals, at least the precious metals, are very strong. Looking at the bank nifty made an attempt, strong move 1% up, both from private sector as well as public sector banks. The move came today. It is down 1.3%. So that's bit counterintuitive to our entire market action, right? Even auto is flat today. Realty was almost 2.5% up in the morning, but now it has closed only 1.6. Realty is still very weak sector as of now. Pharma had a shakeout today, but there was a very quick bounce back and up. Although despite it is down 0.7%, but again in the morning it was heavily slow sold. Infra not much of a positive action today. FMCG is still down today. It has still made up a new low. Telecom is up 1%. Healthcare is also almost similar to pharma, and media is up 1.4%. Actually, I'm very excited to see the 100 charts today because the entire market was moving up. Why didn't Nifty move up? Looks like Reliance did nothing, so did not contribute anything. ECS had a very huge breakdown, down 2.3%. So that's not at all good. Probably this is one of the strong dragger for Nifty 50 today. HDFC Bank is almost flat, nothing major happening here. Bharti Airtel too used to be a very strong, now it went below its level. So down 1.4%. This is also another dragger. ICICI had a quick shakeout here, but finally closed above this zone. So it's interesting. ICICI is getting interesting. Infosys is also again down 2.2%. Looks like the entire IT has seen a major selling today. SBI didn't do nothing much today. See, only up 0.2%. ITC very weak. Hindustan Unilever, after yesterday's breakdown, I told you this was after a very long time it has closed below, and today it had a very strong follow through downside move. LIC going flat, HCL Tech not doing that great. L&T took a form of bounced off at the support level. That's a good action here. Sun Pharma again broken down from this zone. See, this is the minor zone. I can write here, draw a line here, right? Sun Pharma even broke down this zone. So Sun Pharma not at all looking good. Even today, probably you can think of it as another selling happened in Sun Pharma. Bajaj Finance did nothing today, but I like the way it is consolidating. So if it closes above this level, ideally it would have a good breakdown today. But again, I'm putting this up here. The closing should be strong with strong volumes above this level. That would be interesting addition. NTPC, although looks like it's recovering, but let it go up to this 50 EMI. Whether it would break the 50 EMI and moves upward or gets rejected, that would be interesting. Axis Bank too, just like ICICI, acting similar in a way, but not very constructive now. Maruti has consolidating. Kotak finally moved up today. Probably you can call this a breakout. Let's wait for the weekly closing. I know I'm being very conservative in such market conditions, but again, I will wait some more time for Kotak. Mahindra and Mahindra, nothing interesting here. Let's look at ONGC, not that great. Tata Motors just going sideways. Ultratech, I don't know. Wake me after when it comes out of this 11,600 or if it goes below this 10,900. Adani Enterprises weak. Power Grid, even on such a short, I've told you yesterday, this could be a short covering. Again, Power Grid had an intense selling from the highs. Titan not that great. Bajaj Auto too did not any participation. Adani is going sideways. Coal India sideways. Asian Paint sideways. Wipro, even on such a very negative day for TCS and Infosys, Wipro did not correct much. So I'm a little bit showing some bias to Wipro. Why? Because it has held entire this correction, and even now in such over the last 10 days market was acting brutal, right? But the stock was acting well. That's why I'm keeping a little bias for Wipro. Hindustan Aeronauticals, nothing interesting. Bajaj Finserv, let it consolidate and let it break out of it with a strong volume, something like this or something like this. That would be very, very exciting for Bajaj Finserv. DMart, nothing interesting here. Trend going down as usual. Adani Green also very strong downtrend. Simons, today there was a little bit reversal, but again, every time it moves up, there would be new selling. So it is sell at highs kind of concept. JSW still going sideways. Let it break above this level. Adani Power, nothing interesting. Zomato zoomed up almost 5%. Has almost reached its 240 level, but again, I would say 240 would be very crucial for Zomato. Nestle, nothing interesting. IOC, boring. Bharat Electronics to moved up today. Looks like the defense stocks are trying to move up. So, I don't think it should close about 266, right? Only then we can think of something. Varun Beverages, after intense selling, a little bit of bonds happened today, but that does not change anything. Geo Finance, same thing, nothing happening here. PLF2 up 2.7%, but not that great. The entire realty names is not looking good. Realty went into a lot of selling lately, so let's give it some time to take a breather. Tata still as usual going sideways. Vedanta to same story. Grasim still same, just like Ultratech Cement. It is also going sideways. IRFC finally had a bounce at this 118, 117 zone. So let's wait and see how it goes. LTIM again down 3.5%. Not a great day for IT. Indigo slowly inching up. That's interesting. So let's watch this stock closely. Techem too did not correct much. See, Wipro and Techem, very interesting names, right? SBLF still almost there is no supply. Stock is going sideways. Pidilite sideways. ABB did not do anything today. Same with Divis, although up 1.6%. HDFC Life going sideways. Hindalco, wow, that's interesting. That's an interesting chart, right? Hindalco. Probably we can say, did Hindalco form a bottom? Let's not decide now. Let it give it another test. Let it close above the 636 level. And probably I'm expecting if it gets rejected at 677, we can't do anything. If it moves out of 677 zone, we can say Hindalco has confirmed bottom formation. TFC, nothing interesting. Britannia still heading down. It has become much weaker. Same with Ambuja Cement too. Despite other cement arms are acting well. GAIL also nothing interesting. The entire gas companies are not doing well from a very long time. Tata Power up 2.5%, but not a major change. Same with REC. Others and do nothing interesting here. BPCL going sideways. Godrej too, nothing interesting. HR Motors after a very long selling, it's up 2%, but still it's in a very choppy trend. Bank of Baroda, although PSU participated today, but is it sustainable? Only few days would tell. Cipla, nothing interesting. JSW Energy, although up 3%, but lot and lot of overhead supply. 5 years motor, nothing interesting here. See, has almost reached this goal. Weakness. I did not expect it to reach this level. Torrent is staging for a reversal in this channel. Let's wait and see how it works out. Sriram Finance is becoming interesting, but let's wait for above this trend line breakout. Polar 2 is also getting interesting. I think I will be concentrating mostly on large cap NBFC names as well as few chemical fertilizers acting across mid cap and Bajaj Holding had a major reversal today. It went up all the way and it closed down. See, I never liked this name. It's very choppy. Adani Energy Solution, not great. PNB, it did close above this 94 level. Dr. Reddy is a big breakdown today. But again, there was a very sharp reversal. Stay away from Dr. Reddy. United Spirits too. Slowly slipping down each day. Not at all healthy, not at all good. Same with Lodha. Overall, the trend is still the downtrend. iPro is also heading down slowly and slowly. Havells, nothing interesting holding at these support. Bosch also trying to form a bottom here, but it needs to consolidate for a very long time to form a bottom. Apollo Hospitals good action today, so it's making an attempt to move upwards. It needs to close above this big negative candle. Zydus Life break down today. That's not at all healthy for Zydus Life. Hero Motocorp going sideways, Naukri sideways, Tata Consumer. Still, lot of it is getting tighter and tighter, but again, I'm not interested in Tata Consumer. Chart is very choppy. Dabur looks like one of our subscriber. He used to short in Dabur long back ago. Now let's wait. If it breaks below this level, that would be interesting. ICICI general number still holding at these levels support zones. If it breaks down, that would be a new short in ICICI Lombard. Jindal still let it close above this line. Sri Cement, it's getting interesting and interesting every day. So my top priority would be Sri Cement of all the cement names. Canara Bank very weak. Union Bank strong move, but always it does the same thing and quickly reverses. IndusInd is getting interesting here, but again, lot of overhead supply. But for a very short term swing traders or an intraday trades, this would be providing a good opportunity if it breaks above this level. Total gas not great. 10 HPC nothing interesting. BHEL also one of the very sharp name. Once or twice in a week it moves up, then again the overall trend is down. IRCTC did not participate much here, so entire theme is down. So looks like we had a strong buying on mid cap, small cap, and micro cap space, but not a great buying happened on the large cap. But never ever take one day's performance. That's what I have been highlighting from a very long time. Look for a weekly close, wait for some more days, let the stocks reach their moving averages, let them consolidate, and then slowly it should start moving up. Never expect a V shaped recovery in such market. Till then, see you tomorrow. Thanks a lot for watching.